Introduction. CSS enhances the visual aesthetics of a web page. One significant feature is the ability to add background images to web page elements. Adding a background image, use the background image property to add a background image. This property takes a URL where the image file is located. Example, body background image. Background image repeat. CSS repeats background image horizontally and vertically by default. The background repeat property controls this repeat. Example of preventing the image from repeating. Body background image URL image JPG background repeat, no repeat. Background image position. The background position property controls the positioning of the background image. Example of positioning the image at the top right corner. Body background image URL image.jp background position right top. Background image size. The background size property controls the size of the background image. Example of scaling the background image to cover the area. Body background image URL image.jpg background size cover. Tips and common mistakes. Always include the URL keyword and parentheses when setting the background image property. Ensure the image file path is correct. Make sure the element applied has dimensions to display the background image. Be careful with cover and contain values. They can distort your image if the aspect ratio doesn't match. Use images with appropriate resolution to balance quality and page load time. Conclusion: using background images effectively can enhance the look and feel of your website. Practice applying properties and values to gain control and customization over aesthetics. Always test your website across different devices and screen sizes for proper display of background images.